Welcome back, traders. I hope you guys had a great weekend. And let's take a look at what's going on with our trade in our series from novice to pro trader, where we take $1,500 and turn it into a pro account, which is $5,000, a professional trading account. All right, guys. So let's check our daily. So what happened was that we had a whiplash right here during the day. This is a day candle. And we're having a doji. We had a doji, but now it's closing into, But what happened was that price opened up over here, and it went all the way down. And when it went all the way down, it went back up and shot to 1.2165. So as you can remember, we were short this trade, and we hit our goal. But the problem was that when we hit our goal, it was nighttime. It was already late. I was sleeping again. So at 3 a.m, we hit our goal. And then at 4 o'clock, it went lower. It broke support. Remember, our goal was this price area right here. I'll just move this out the way. This is where it was last time. This is where we wanted price to go. So we entered at 1.21. We entered at 1.21. And we rode this price all the way down. We were up $250. But then what happened was that since I was sleeping, when I woke up at 6 o'clock, we were already up. And basically, I closed the trade. I closed the trade around 7 o'clock because I knew price was going to continue to go up because it hit a support. It created a support, it created a low, and I knew price was going to retrace. So if we go down here real quick, we made from this trade $56 at 7 o'clock. So we made $56, and that's already including the commission, the spread that we have to pay the brokers. So for spread, we paid $2.75. We made $56 in that trade, and I knew that price was going to keep going up at 7 o'clock. So I placed a long. We went long all the way. I had to drive. I had to work. And what that long gave us was $129. And from that moment, I felt that maybe price was going to keep going up because market sentiment for the EURUSD was 73% of traders are short, and I said, hey, this thing is going to keep going up. But what actually happened was that it created right here, it created a lower low. So let's take a look. I just drew this right now, and basically the way you draw these support lines is that you check where the most resistance at, which is around here, and you draw it. You draw a support. So this is going to be a support. Usually what I do for a support, I draw it green, and what I do for resistance, I leave that red. Let's draw this green right here as support, and for resistance I leave it red. But we are seeing a pattern here. So price went all the way up on Thursday where it hit its top, its max, highest high in 32 or 35 weeks. It retraced for a little while, and then it went back up on Friday. It touched it with non-farm payrolls, but non-farm payrolls came out wrong. Came out not as great as we thought it was going to be. And it created this double top, meaning that it hit the resistance, right? This green line up here is a resistance. It's like hitting a wall, and price came down. So when price came down and it created this double top, it went all the way down and it created this low. It touched the support. It created this support. It broke the support for a little while because there was news coming out in Europe concerning the euro and the British pound. Let's check that out if we got anything here. Euro rally pauses as Brexit lingers. So there's things going on out there with Brexit, and we actually saw the the British pound. Let's see if we could just put this up here real quick so that you guys could see it. British pound went down 176 pips. So around 3 o'clock, around that same time, because 3 o'clock is when London opens, right? Pre-London. So there were trades going in at 2 o'clock and price just dropped. Look at this. We can measure the drop from right here. Okay, and that was 160 pips. We had 160 pips right there. 157 pips right there. Which is a lot in 2 hours. Actually, we take it from this wick. 181 pips. Can you believe that? That's a lot of pips. That's a lot of money. And then what happened? It just retraced. So look at how it looks in a 4-hour chart, and then look at how this looks at a daily. So this is the daily. So price went all the way down to this 21, almost touching the EMA or EMA 21, and just rebounding and just going back up like a shooting star all the way, meaning that sellers did not have the power to break through this resistance right here, nor this powerful resistance that we're carrying out from way back from last year. And basically, that was the whole news. How did it affect the euro? When I was looking at it this morning at 4 o'clock, no, at 6:30, when I was looking at it, it only went down a couple of pips. If we could see, it only went down from the day to where we were at 40 pips, which is almost nothing compared to 170. And when I woke up, I believe I was at 10 pips because I had to reduce my position. So I didn't get liquidated. Remember, our margin was 50%. When we left it on Friday. So before Friday's close, I had to close and take a $36 loss, I believe it was, and continue on the trade. So we made $56 on that trade this morning. I closed it out. I decided to turn it around. I decided to go up at 7 o'clock, and we took it all the way to up here, actually, but I was working. And when I looked at price again, I took profit at $126, and then I thought price was going to keep going up because market sentiment says that there's 73% of traders going up, but that didn't happen. Price dropped again. I just scalped this for a little while, and then I entered short at 1.2123, and we're taking this all the way down until it makes a lower low. We believe it will make either a lower low or it will touch this, and meaning we are ranging, meaning that price is consolidating. If price touches this support line one more time, then we are ranging, and we could see price come up one more and create a little wave and then take off, or price will create a lower low and continue towards a support line, depending on what we believe. It would be beautiful, 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 beautiful if we could take this price right here and just stay on it and go all the way back to 18. That would be 2,200 pips. Oh my God, that would be great money. Especially if we put $7 on it, that'll be $1,400. That'll be great. But we are scalping. We're swing traders, so we're not gonna take that risk right now. So price is respecting this right now. We're live, and price is respecting this support line. We see if we go into a smaller time frame, if we go to the 15-minute time frame, we could see that price is just like chilling right here. It's just hanging out. And if it breaks this support line right here, if price at 1 hour, where markets are about to close, so if it could close below this, which I doubt because time is running out, But if it closes below this, and then when Australia opens at 7 o'clock, 6:30, 7 o'clock, and price stays underneath this support, then this will become resistant and price will just continue going down and make a lower low, which that is what we're aiming for exactly. Let's take a look at market sentiment for the euro. Market sentiment for the Euro USD is still very high. 69% of traders are short. So the signal is to go long. And that gets me kind of worried. What we could do is, you know what, guys? Let's do something crazy right now, live. We're going to take our money. We're going to go. We're going to take our money and we're going to run. So let's look at our activity for the day. How much money we made and how much money did we lose. So we made $76 in that trade, $10.05 in that trade, minus $24.48, and these losses I took because I was working. Minus $81.20. That leaves us with negative $18 plus 20. Oh, sorry. Plus 29 plus 56.50, and that's what we made today. That was a loss that I took on Friday. So let's add this loss into the account. We've made $132 trading. $132 trading. So price seems like it wants to break right here. It's the end of the day. We're up $132. Thinking, what should we do? Price could go to a lower low. It could rebound. EMA is low. Let's come back to it. Because we could take a buy, and with the buy that we could take, we'll get a swap maybe. No. So let's look at price. No, price. Yeah, price is consolidating. Price doesn't know what to do. So let's just leave it this way. Let's not take the... Oh, look what we have right here. 1, 2. You know what? Let's do it, guys. Let's take a buy. So we're showing you live how you take a buy, and we're going to take the swap with it too. So we're going $7 per pip, and we are going up. We just bought. Let's see how it goes. So every time you enter a trade, you are negative because you have to pay the broker. You got to pay the broker. And this is where we came in. Blue means buy. If everything goes good, 1, 2, we'll have price retrace to maybe up here, and we'll take 5 pips. And I'll be looking at this trade to see how it goes. So we're coming in, some time passed. We're coming into the close of the hour, where a new candle's gonna come, and we are down 4 pips, $30. If we would have stayed in this trade, we would have been probably $100 in. This is the new hour candle forming right here. And price did close below this support line, but I believe the support line is not that strong yet. It's been broken before, and let's see if price will retrace. But since it's the end of day, doubt it'll retrace, but we'll make some money. We'll make some money from the spread. Maybe we'll make like $3 from the spread, which will pay our commission, and we will trade this into Australia and London session only because it is 69% of traders are short, and I believe price will continue going up because smart money wants price. Smart money's on the opposite side, and dumb money wants it to go down. It's too obvious to go down. It's too expensive to go up. So price might just range for a little bit. And I'm going to leave it up to here, this video. We'll come back again in... let's see if I'm up at 12. We could check it out. If not, then we'll come back at this... Look at our trade at around... Let me see if anything interesting is happening in Australia. Maybe we could trade Australia for a little bit. Oh, yeah, look at this. We got the Japanese info at 1850. That's soon. And that'll be it. So let's see what we got. GDP for the Japanese forecast. Great news. Maybe we could take Euro JPY, or maybe a Aussie JPY, or maybe pound. Let's see how much we would be able to invest if we take pound yen. Pound yen. Oh, it's not here. How do we add to Forex? Pound yen. British pound yen. JY, some people like to call it JY. Let's buy. Let's check it out. How much is it for 50? How much do I need? $3,000 for a $10. Okay. No, not $10. That'll be a $2. So we could do $2 and we could basically do $2, right? This would be a lot. $2 per pip. Well, not even $1.91 per pip, and the margin used would be 1,300. But if we push it maybe for $2, let's do 121. 21, we'll need a margin of 1,400. That's what we have, and it will be only $2 per pip right here. But if things go our way and we short this baby, we would see, let's check it out, maybe 100 pips, $50. Should we? I don't know. For $50. This is what you do with trading, guys. This is how trading is. I mean, for $50, we could probably make $50 from here to here. How much would be this? This would be 10 pips. That'll be $70 right there. Because we're at How many lots? $7 per lot. Looks like our trade is going through. Looks like we're going up. Looks like this is going up, at least to here, at least to our EMA. And if we break from here to our EMA, that's 12 pips. I'll be 10 pips. I'll be $70. Let's stay in this trade. Let's keep trading EURUSD and see where it takes us. Right now, that's the best that we could do. All right, guys, I'll update you in this trade. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, comment below. Hit that like button, and I'll update you later in the afternoon. Take care, guys. Oh, well, later in the evening. Take care, guys.